The i7-13700F is the latest high-performance processor from Intel, designed for users with demanding computational needs. It features 8 cores and 16 threads, utilizing advanced manufacturing technology to deliver higher clock frequencies and exceptional multi-threaded performance. The i7-13700F supports Intel hyper-threading technology, enabling efficient multitasking, and comes equipped with Intel Advanced Vector Extensions (AVX) for faster floating point calculations and multimedia processing. The intelligent cache technology optimizes data access patterns, resulting in improved system responsiveness. Whether you're tackling complex computational tasks, handling image processing, or engaging in high-demand gaming, the i7-13700F is up to the challenge. In addition, the i7-13700F prioritizes energy efficiency with Intel's power-saving technologies, optimizing power consumption and offering extended battery life. This ensures that you can enjoy high-performance computing for longer periods without worrying about running out of battery. Overall, the i7-13700F is a high-performance and versatile processor that meets the demands of users seeking exceptional computational power and multi-threaded capabilities. It delivers outstanding performance, efficient multitasking, and energy efficiency, making it suitable for a wide range of professional and entertainment tasks. Whether you're working on intensive projects or looking to immerse yourself in top-quality gaming experiences, the i7-13700F provides reliable performance and exceptional computing capabilities.